The CityCoco Classic is an urban electric motorcycle designed to be affordable, fun, and most importantly, lifestyle changing. Before we dive into the full review, I'd like to point out that this CityCoco Classic we are reviewing in this video is a prototype. So don't mind some Chinese text here and there, or even some unfinished parts on it, because the official unit you are about to get is perfectly fine. They won't have any issue of the sort. The unboxing and the assembly are, in my opinion, boring. So while you watch on, I just put some key specs on the screen. The weight of the package is around 85 kilograms, and the weight of the motorcycle is 78 kilograms. So make sure you have the body to help you out when you are getting it out of the box. The CityCoco Classic sports two large 10-inch pneumatic tires, each with a pretty thick and robust hydraulic disc brake, feels fairly safe. The rear tire houses a staggering 2000 watt motor, which enables a max speed of 45 km/h. We'll get to that a little bit later. For the battery, it's removable. The capacity is 72 voltage, 30 amp-hour, and provides up to 80 km range on a single charge. That's 50 miles, one of the longest I've seen in these kinds of motorcycles. Now, let's get into more details. The handlebars house controls like lights, horn, turn signals, forward or reverse selector, and speed modes. Just slightly rotate the ignition key anti-clockwise, it will unlock the storage. It's a surprisingly large storage under the seat. I could easily put my bag and other tools in at one time without an issue. If you're wondering what the size of the scooter, here's it. With this type of finish, it's beautiful and elegant. And don't be fooled by its elegance, because there's a tremendous power inside the scooter. The max load is 250 kilograms. It handles 2 people easily. But is it a comfortable ride? Yes, definitely it is. The ride is incredibly nice. I'm used to electric scooters as my normal everyday transportation. I really appreciate that the CityCoco Classic offers the plushy seat and the comfortable suspension. It's an amazing upgrade. It makes potholes barely noticeable. It's just ultra smooth and enjoyable. Please bear in mind that this is a city scooter designed for urban applications. It's not a hot rod. It has top speed of 45 km/h, but I can easily bump to 50 or even more on flat ground, sometimes even 60 km/h. I guess the official info claims the max speed to be 45 km/h is a smart move, which is to keep it street legal as a moped in as much of the country as possible. So unlike other normal scooters, it's surprisingly sporty even with 2 people on it. To conclude, should you get the CityCoco Classic Electric Motorcycle? To be honest, I'm having difficulty trying to prevent this review from coming off like an ad. I always give honest reviews and discuss exactly what I don't like about a product in addition to what good stuff. But with the CityCoco Classic, I'm struggling to find fault with it. If forced, I could probably say that it feels a little bit heavy at 78 kilograms and not as portable as those normal e-scooters I've reviewed before. But hey, this is a real electric motorcycle. If you ride an e-bike or other e-scooter on the road, people will think of it as infringing on their territory. But with this, it won't. It belongs on the road. You can rightfully take up a lane, just like with cars. It feels a lot safer. Also, with the speed limit, you'll have lots of advantages, such as free parking, no motor license, etc. And you know what other scooters will never have is it has 2 seats. You can always pick up your girlfriend or wife from classes and drive you around for fun. And even if you did that, it still has plenty of power and can easily climb hills. While comparing to those giant motorcycles, it feels less intimidating and down to earth. Your wife, your parents, your friends, your kids, all can have fun with it. I can tell you the CityCoco Classic is a total lifestyle changer. After several days with it, I'm definitely a motorcycle guy now. It's turned the act of getting around from a hassle to a pleasure. I just love it. You'll love it too. Finally, about the cost. The CityCoco Classic Electric Motorcycle's price starts from $1,536 on Geekbuying, and this is a reasonable price. If you do research, many e-bikes are even more expensive than this. I definitely suggest you try one if you are interested. It's fun and convenient. And you will feel good knowing that you are saving a ton of energy by riding an electric motorcycle instead of needless driving around in a giant car. Alright, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. For more about the CityCoco Classic Electric Motorcycle, please check the link in the description or on the screen. If you have any questions about it, please leave your comment below. I'm Sammy. See you next time.